Okay, students, this week we are learning about the long U sound. Long U can say U or oo. In our spelling words this week, the long U is going to say oo. And there's different ways that we can spell oo. So I'll read you the words first, and then we'll go through and listen to the sounds. Blue, chew, flew, fruit, rude, soup, spoon, truth. Let's do our sounds. Blue, ba, ul, oo. We have U-E, making the oo sound in that word. Chew, cha, oo. We have E-W. Flew, full, oo. E-W again making that oo sound. Fruit, fa, oo, ta. So in fruit we have U-I saying oo. Rude, oo, da. This silent E is jumping over making that U say oo. So you can have U and then a consonant E is going to make that U say oo. Soup, sa, oo, pa. O-U. Spoon, spa, na. Spoon, we have double O in that one. Truth, ta, oo, tha. The U is alone on that one, saying the oo sound. So we have a lot of different spelling patterns going on right there. You guys will have to study really hard on that. And our review words are toy and coin. For your bonus words, we have enough and door. And when you see the U, G, H together, those three letters together are going to say fa. So let's do our sounds for enough. E, n, a, f. So this O is making a sound, and the U, G, H is making the f sound. I just wanted to give you another example of the U, G, H saying f in the word laugh. Ul, a, laugh. You don't need to know that word, just know how to spell enough. And then door, da, o, So the O's in this are saying o, da, o, Okay, study hard.